Hi, this is CS Tan. Today, we are here at Pelangi Indah. So in this area, right, all are semi-detached and come with 24-hour security. If you are a Singaporean or if you are from China, from Taiwan, I think you know that in Malaysia, you need to buy the property which is more than 1 million. And if you want to buy a 1 million property, right, my recommendation is you can buy landed house and semi-detached or above, like bungalow or a bigger house. And because this is a freehold property, so it holds a value and it gives you the flexibility and the asset progression. Let's come and see now. This house, right, actually is award-winning the year 2000 when they just designed the house, and with this very nice fish pond with the very greenery, nice landscaping. This car park lot, we can park 2 to 4 cars, depends on the car size. At the living room, it has a very spacious and double ceiling height, and this is another family area. This is your dining area and kitchen. Okay, so the seller already done the cabinets and it designed to the family use. This is the wet kitchen. As you know, as an Asian cooking, right, you always need to fry and have a lot of cookings. So it is very suitable to have a wet kitchen. And this is the laundry area. So you can put your washing machines and drying your clothes over here. If you ask me, you want to buy a property more than 1 million, I believe you must buy something that fits the local style. As the same as Singapore, the very limited product will be landed property because land will become lesser and lesser in future. Okay, next we go and see this toilet. This is a bit old school, but you can build it as your own design. It's quite a spacious bedroom downstairs. Nowadays, all the landed property are getting more expensive, especially for terrace houses crossing 1 million benchmark. So if you don't mind to have a semi-detached, a second-hand unit, I think this is the very suitable unit for you. Let's go and see. For this property, right, it comes with 2 very big size bedrooms. It's about 300 over square feet for the rooms and with a newly renovated bathroom. This is very suitable for family, and because the 2 bedrooms is equally big as 300 square feet, so it's very seldom to see such a big common room with attached bathroom. And there's another half level on top for the master. For the master of this house, very luxury and very high ceiling, and it's a walk-in wardrobe here. And we have a bathroom. Here is a place that you can jogging every day, and this here is a place that you can bring your family to come here to play some sports and enjoy the natural greenery. So that's why we say this Pelangi Indah Samidi is a place for investment and also is a place for you to do your retirement because it's close to the shopping mall like IKEA The Brow or Ion The Brow. Also, it's close to Johor Jaya Commercial and Mount Austin Commercial. So it's mixed the convenience and also the serenity. Thank you for watching. I think it's a very good chance for you to come and see by this weekend or a couple of weeks. That is my suggestion over the 8 years of experience in Johor Bahru market. As a foreigner buyer, if you want to do your asset investments compared to high-rise condo and apartments, so I definitely would like to recommend you to consider landed houses. Today, we have a 2.5-story Samidi here for you to have a very quick look. So if you want to see in details, welcome to bring your families to enjoy the vibes here and contact me. Malaysia Property, follow CS Tan.